Hello, this video is to give you an introduction on how to use the SeeSaw tools to complete an activity. So as you can see, I'm signed in as a student again. It says student here. I click under my activities tab and then I'm able to find the activities. So we are going to go through one activity to show you some of the tools that are available for us to use. The first thing you will see on the activity is the title. The title is the exact title listed in the checklist that you want to find. Below it are all of the directions that you need to read to complete the activity. Below it, you will see a play instructions button. That is a voiceover that will read all of the instructions to you. Over to the left, you will see a space that could have a couple things in it. This just has an example of the template that we will be working with. It could also have a link here. It could have a video posted. The directions would be where you would find what to do with that. So the directions might say, number one, click the link to the left and play the video. To begin actually responding to the activity, we have to hit Add Response. When we click the Add Response video, you will see our template pops up. If at any time you would like to view the instructions again, click View Instructions and they will pop back up so you can reread them or re-listen to them. Now we're going to work through this activity because it does show us a lot of tools that are good for us to use. So first on the side, on the bottom, you will see a couple different tools. Most of these are my writing tools down here. This is my eraser and this is my grab button. So this is if I want to move something and grab it. This also over to the side changes the color of these tools down below. So right now I have a blue pen. So we're going to go through the first activity. Use the camera to take a selfie or upload a picture. I find the camera button. When I click the camera button, there are two options. You can either take a photo right then, or you can upload a photo that's already on your camera roll. I'm going to choose to take a selfie. I hit the camera button and my selfie pops up. I can grab it, move it where I would like it. I can resize it. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. All right, good job. Click on the next slide to continue. The slide you will find at the right side. This activity only has 2 slides. Some could have more. Do not click the green check until you'd be completely done with the activity. Slide 2. Use the text tool to type your name. So this is the text tool. It has a T in it. You will see the text box pop up. What I can do is I can change the color of my typing with all of these over here. So I'm going to choose a color and type in my name. And now I can also move this around, grab it and move it where I want it to go. We already changed the color, and then it says click on the 3 dots to change the font. So the 3 dots are below it. Once you grab it or click it, they'll pop up. When I click those, I could delete it if I didn't like what I did. I could make a duplicate of it, meaning I could do another of it. It's a little bit hard to see, but they're right at the top there. So let me see. I'll try to move this down, and then we can see it better. So under Style, you can see that there are different fonts and different options for what you want to do with your text. So I'm going to change the font of it, and I'm done with that section. Use the Move tool to arrange numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm already on the Move tool at the bottom, and I can grab each of these items and move them around so that they are in order from least to greatest. Great. Down at the bottom, it says use a pencil, pen, highlighter, or magic pen to circle your favorite activities. So that are these 4 options here, which you see at the bottom. You can choose any one you like, and you can change the color. So I might try a couple of them out. So that was the magic pen. I can try the highlighter. So that kind of gives more of a transparent look to it. The pen. I can write with the pen, and last the pencil. Okay, so you can make these any color you choose on the side. so I'm going to go back to the move tool so I don't accidentally write with one of them. Add your favorite shape. So we're going to find these 3 dots here, which are on the side. Okay, this is the shape button. I'm going to click the shape button. I can scroll through and find any shape I'd like to add. When I click it, it pops up. You have to just click out of this area to get rid of it. So I just click off to the side and it gets rid of that section. And then I can use the move tool again to grab this shape and pull it down below. Again, I can resize this. I can make this shape bigger. I can make it smaller. Lastly, use the eraser to discover a hidden picture. So this is the eraser tool. I am not going to completely show you the hidden picture because this is one of your activities. So I do not want to give it away. But you can see the eraser goes over all of that. Then lastly, what I can do is I can click this check mark. This is when I'm completely done with the entire activity. I've gone through all of the slides, I've done my best work, and I've checked over it. So now it's sent that activity to your teacher, to myself, and it is waiting for my approval. So now instead of having 5 activities listed here, you only have 4 because you have completed one of those activities.